All right, let's take a look down the road because we've got those scattered thunderstorm chances in our forecast as we head into the afternoon. In fact, why don't we stop at noon, and there you can see in our northern counties at least a couple of pop-up thunderstorms. We'll see more of them, though, as the afternoon progresses. This batch coming out of north central Kansas. Some of these could be on the strong side with some gusty winds, but the good news is so far we're not looking at any kind of severe weather or anything like that. Just some gusty winds with some of these storms as they push off to the south and east this afternoon. By 3, they're along and west of I-49 and just to the north of I-44. By 4, they are now east of 49, south of 44. And then we'll see additional development taking place as we head later into the evening. Then there's this brief pause around 8 o'clock or so with a few stray showers. And then we'll see additional thunderstorm development as we head later into the evening and into the early overnight hours. So say by about 2, 3 a.m., the last of these showers and storms are out of here, and that'll leave us partly cloudy overnight, prepping for a very hot day in the 4 states tomorrow. MoDOT camera 20th and Rangeline. It is sunny out there and sunny and warm from the KDOT camera at 69 and East 520th Avenue just south of Pittsburgh. Here comes the sun from our camera at 7th and Rangeline. We are warm and muggy though, 75 in Joplin. At dew point at 68, humidity is at 79%. And temperatures around the region, you can see the darker orangish color here. It's a bit of a warm spot. We got 74 Chanute, Fort Scott, Lamar, Carthage, Chatopa, Miami, 73 Pittsburgh and Parsons, 71 Neosho, Anderson, and 70 over in Monette. Now, as we get our morning started, again, we'll have those partly cloudy skies to get going. We'll go into the mid-80s by late morning. Then as we head into the afternoon, it's going to be variable cloud cover from partly to mostly cloudy. And then, of course, we'll have those scattered thunderstorms. Highs today approximately the low to mid-90s. However, if you happen to get underneath one of those thunderstorms per se, well, you could see a very nice, however brief, temperature drop before temperatures will warm back up on the flip side of all of that. And we start to see additional scattered thunderstorm chances as we head through the evening hours. And again, those will wrap up by the early overnight hours, again by about 2, 3 a.m., leaving us otherwise partly cloudy back into the lower 70s. And then we look ahead. We don't want to, but we have to. We're going to go triple digits Tuesday, Wednesday, partly cloudy Tuesday, mostly cloudy Wednesday. Check out these lows. No relief from the heat either as we go 80 tomorrow night, 77 Wednesday night. Then the relief arrives. Thursday, Friday, we'll see a few more scattered thunderstorm chances out there. That knocks our temperatures down into the upper 80s, lower 90s, puts our overnight lows back into a much more reasonable place as well as we go into the low to mid 60s. However, this is short-lived, just like the last little break we got. We'll start to warm up. The Saturday, not bad, upper 80s, partly cloudy. A few scattered storms for us on Sunday, low 90s. Going into next week, we are partly cloudy. We get hot again, temperatures warming back into the upper 90s. And of course, the overnight lows start to warm up again as well. That's a check of your forecast. We'll be back with the news you need to know right after this.
In July, give your family the gift of true comfort this summer with an HVAC system replacement. Financing is available for as low as $99 a month and no money down with up to $2,000 in tax credits and savings. GoPascal.com.
Beat the July heat at Indigo Sky Casino. Over $1 million in total cash and Go Rewards prizes could be yours. On Friday, 6 to 10 p.m., play for your chance to win $12,000 in cash. It may be hot outside, but we have plenty of ice-cold cash and prizes inside. Come play and win your share. Enjoy the live entertainment on weekends and your favorite ice-cold beverage. Let the winning fun begin at Indigo Sky Casino, Highway 60 west of Seneca, Missouri.
How does Fletcher sell so many Subarus? Better selection of the most popular models like Crosstrek, Outback, and Forester. Great prices. You'll always get Frank Fletcher's best deal and a free lifetime warranty on every new Subaru. Nobody else does that. Shop Fletcher Subaru before you buy anywhere else. Better selection, great prices, and a free lifetime warranty. That's Frank Fletcher Subaru behind Home Depot in Joplin, or shop frankfletchersubaru.com.
It's a summer celebration at Schultz Lawn and Garden. Save up to $250 off select in-stock Bad Boy motors. Have you seen Bandit, the new Bad Boy UTV? It's the ultimate off-road machine. If you demand maximum performance and reliability, it's time to start riding the Bandit. For bigger jobs, choose a Bad Boy tractor. You can also save up to $50 off select steel trimmers and blowers. Plus, we offer a full line of steel power products and parts. Schultz Lawn and Garden, North Broadway in Pittsburgh and Highway 160 in Lamar.
It's Christmas in July. Give your family the gift of true comfort this summer with an HVAC system replacement. Financing is available for as low as $99 a month and no money down with up to $2,000 in tax credits and savings. GoPascal.com.
Four State Heroes is brought to you in part by your Midwest Ford dealers.
We take this time now to honor a local veteran. Boatswain made first class Otto Norman served in the U.S. Navy during World War I from 1917 to 1919. The Baxter Springs, Kansas native was deployed to France. We're proud to salute Otto Norman, a four-state hero.
Here's a check of today's top headlines, the news you need to know before you head out the door. Authorities received reports of a commercial fire in Bentonville, Arkansas around 6 a.m. Sunday morning. The commercial building is home to numerous small businesses, including a salon and spa, counseling services, and others. A city spokesperson says the fire was in the attic on arrival. No occupants or firefighters were injured. City of Joplin anticipates opening a new section of West 32nd from Crane Drive west to the vicinity of Woodland Avenue. This section in the Cedar Ridge neighborhood will be open to local traffic tentatively July 24th. The hope is the entire project will be completed by the end of the year. And the VA clinic in Joplin hosts a PACT Act outreach event to raise awareness for veterans to apply for benefits that have been created due to the act. The PACT Act creates benefits for veterans involved in the Vietnam, Gulf, and Afghanistan wars. Those who have been affected medically by toxic chemicals used in these wars can sign up and apply for screening. Kansas City University holds its annual white coating ceremony at Joplin High Performing Arts Center. For students who will begin at KCU this year, the white coating ceremony is the first step to becoming a doctor. The students all across the world will be attending KCU, as well as students from right here in the four states. That's a check of today's top headlines, the news you need to know before you head out the door.